Hey guys, how's it going? Ghosty Rich here, and today we're going to be switching a wiper blade on this 2015 Jeep Wrangler. Pretty easy. You need two 15-inch wipers. This part number is for the Bosch if you're looking for the same wipers I'm using in this video. Take your wiper, flip it forwards like so. Look right here, see how there's a little pin? I'm going to sink this in. I like to, if I've got to do it one-handed, sink it in with my thumb and work it in like that. Now you're going to see this one has a little clip. Note how close it sits to the beginning. Why, you might ask? Because we're going to go over here to our new wiper. And you're going to open up. You're going to see there's a little A5 B6 package. Open it up. There's another little package like so. You're going to take this. And if you look in here, it's already actually got one piece on here. Let's see. We might be ready to go right from the get-go. So what we need to do is get that hook around, get it inside like so. See how it did that? Probably not. Flip like this. After you flip it in, put it like this, sink it in, and it should lock in like so. Let's take a look, make sure she's locked in. There. Noticeable click. You don't actually need this. Woo! Cool thing about Jeeps, it's pretty stock. Anyways, go to your other side. This one might be more harder for me to show you because, see, there it is again. Push it in, and then once you push it in, you have to push your blade. So push down, push in, slide out. That's a beautiful noise, isn't it? And then do it again, pull this out. Angry package opening. And again, just to show you, pretty easy. But you're gonna slide that in like so. So remember, opening like so. Put it through the opening. Put it in like so. So it's like this. And so make sure it locks in. There, noticeable click. You'll see there's no opening at all in behind the blade. After you're done, done. Look how easy that was. Two new wiper blades, all said and done. And yeah, you don't even need the extra clip if it comes with it. Thanks again for watching. Like the video if it helped you out, and subscribe for more.